Is the wedding over? A sweet honeymoon is ahead! Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to unite these two soulmates. Congratulations! By the power vested in me by the channel of Troom Troom, I now declare you... Silver? Why is the ring silver? I thought I was very clear that I wanted gold. Same as ever, the wedding is off. Lovebirds, excuse me, stop fighting. I came up with a solution. Let a challenge decide who's right. Silver versus gold. Let's see who wins. Pop the balloons. Your tasks are inside. And no cheating. Do it fair and square. The first challenge is food. The bride got golden cornflakes. They are so shiny. Decorate cornflakes with gold pearl powder. Use a confectionery brush. And the groom needs to drink a glass of silvery milk. Add silver food coloring to milk. And silver pearl powder. Mix thoroughly. Now let's see who's faster, gold or silver. The bride is chewing as fast as she can, but the groom still drinks all his milk faster, and silver wins, 1-0. But wait, there's more. Time for round 2. Well, newlyweds, here's your new task. I'm a totally unbiased judge. Oops, drop the silver. And now, pick your tasks. This is the battle of precious metals. Silver versus gold. Hold on, little ones. Excuse me. It's St. Valentine. He needs help. Keep going without me. Well, let's go, I guess. The groom needs to make a mask for his bride out of gold sardines. This is gonna be interesting. Come on, fishies. Lie down nice and smooth. Huh? The bride doesn't even mind? Actually, she loves anchovies. Mmm, delicious! Give me another one. And the bride is about to give the groom a silver slap. Here comes the show. What a hit! Right on target! The bride gets a well-deserved point. Yes! The score is tied. An even score will strengthen your marriage. Or maybe not. Lunch break! French fries with silvery sauce? Or a burger with a gold crust? How can you resist? Hey, newlyweds, quit bickering. Just eat instead. But both of you need to eat the opposite food. A burger with gold topping? And French fries with silver sauce. But that's not it yet. You are going to be hand-feeding your better halves. Let's see how good your teamwork is. Groom, open your mouth. I'll make you a burger face mask. But he handled the burger all by himself. He can eat hands-free. Good job. Now it's the bride's turn. No, I don't want to eat these fries. I'm scared of silver fever. And I don't like fries that much anyway. Don't try to convince me. That means the groom wins this round. 2-1. The newlyweds, as always, are fighting over something. Don't fight, lovebirds. Here comes your next task. Let's go fishing. You need to catch a gold banana and silver lipstick out of this little pond. Take colorless lipstick out of the tube and melt it in the microwave. Add silver pearly makeup powder. Mix thoroughly and put it back into the tube. Let it cool. Let fate decide who gets what. Add some decorations. And that too. There we go. Enjoy. Now let's see who's faster. Both heads come up with their treasures at once. Yay! But there's one more task. Eat what you caught. Chewing on silver lipstick? No thanks, that's not for me. But the bride easily eats her banana. So golden. Want some? She wins this round hands down. 2-2. You know, honey, I'm tired of all this fighting. Let's make up. Freshen up your breath first, honey. Look, I have some special silver gum just for you. Is it okay? Wow, now that's what I call care. Now let's take a loving selfie. Say gold! The bride loves shopping, but she's running out of money on her gold card. At least they have a shared bank account. And her groom has a silver card. Oh, so that's where you are, honey? Trying to take my millions? No way! Calm down, little ones. Your love is worth more than money. Let's have a contest to see who gets the card. It's a simple challenge. Whoever can catch the card with their forehead gets to spend all the money. 1, 2, go! Ouch! It hurts! I'm going to have a bump that'll cost $1,000 to fix. Let's try again. Yay! I did it! The groom isn't that happy about this result. Come on, you need to win too. My head isn't my strongest point. It looks like the groom underestimated his strength. Oof! But at least the bride gets to spend all the money. Victory! And the score is 2-3. These newlyweds can't even go downstairs without arguing. Stop! Before you two kill each other, I have your next challenge. Whoever can carry an egg and a spoon across all these obstacles wins. But no hands! And try to keep your mouth shut. Ready? Go! Oh no! A huge ball! Tough luck! The egg broke! Haha! You lost, loser! Oops! The bride's egg couldn't handle her bad attitude and broke too! Well, the only thing we can do now is bring you two together. You're in love after all. Now you'll have to continue along life's difficult path as one soul. Hand in hand, back to back. And you'll carry your eggs in your spoons just like before. Come on, go for it! The groom wins this time. It's clear who wears the pants in this relationship. And the score is tied at 3-3. The newlyweds are dividing up everything they own into gold and silver. But personally, I'm tired of all these arguments. So I think we should proceed to the final task. You should walk in your other half's shoes. Then you'll understand how they are feeling. Oh no! So that means we are going to switch places? The groom became a golden girly, and the bride became a silver swagster. It's all so strange, but you look great in leopard print, honey. And now you need to go somewhere public dressed like that. Not everybody understands what's going on here. But finally, the couple reunites into one whole. This is love, after all. And now, the final. Winner takes all round. In one corner, the silver groom. And in the opposite corner of the ring, the golden bride. This battle will go down in history. And this is the illegal maneuver called the gold dust. The groom is thrown off his rhythm. An attempted glitter knockout. We have never seen such a sparkly fight before. Finally, it's over! You earned this peace trophy! Attach a clear glass to an upside-down container. Cover the stem of the glass with light clay. Add volume. Smooth it out thoroughly. Make 2 trophy handles out of light clay. Attach them to the glass. Decorate half of the trophy with gold acrylic paint and the second half with silver. I'm proud to announce a tie! This silver gold trophy represents equality in your relationship. In this tournament, love wins. Newlyweds, get ready for new family challenges. Did you like our new challenge? Then comment below and tell us who you liked better, the silver groom or the golden bride. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss any fun new challenges from Troom Troom.